we have different methods. Okay, how to check the methods? What are the methods are there? One by one we check it. Java P, Java dot lang package. This is string class. We have many methods. We can check all the methods. Okay, what are these methods? Right? We can check it. Methods are using this method. We can find out length, guys. We can find out length and string is there or not. We have method length method. Using length method, one by one discuss. Okay, using length method we can check it what is the length of the string. For example, if I write string s1 equals to, okay, for example, some I have written Java, I want to find out this string length s1 dot length. Here this length is a method. Okay, length is 4 will get. Okay, that is a length method. Is empty method, what is empty method? S1 dot is empty, is there or not, object is empty or not. Okay, if it is not empty then it returns true, right? Is empty, no, now, right, it is false now. Okay, next, caret method. What is caret? Which location that is there? Okay, caret method, what is a caret? For example, I want this location, okay, this value. What I would write, s1 dot caret of 1, s1 dot caret of 0, and code point, that method also same like indexes of caret code pointed. Get characters also we can convert into character array. We can convert into character array also. Get characters, this method, using this method, get characters method, we can convert into character. Get characters, get bytes we can get. And equals method we discussed. The content equals method is there. Okay, using, you can compare with the string buffer object. Content equals both the string object and string buffer object. And also character sequence, nothing but character array. Okay, using character array we can convert the both or not. Character sequence object is there. And equals ignore case also. Compare to method, using compare to method both the string objects we can compare. Compare to ignore case, again string objects we can compare. Region matches particular region. Okay, we can check it. Start with that string is start with that string or not. End with the strong, start with the end with particular character index we can find out or not. Index of int. Okay, for example, index of which location, from where to where. Okay, that location also we can find out. Index of methods are there. Last index of first index, last index of string. Okay, which location. For example, if I give one character, that what is the last index, what is the first index of that. Okay, that index we also we get. ASCII value if we give that index also we can get.